In this video I will tell you about the virtual memory. You can say the physical memory or pegging files as well. Sometimes you have seen a message on your computer is low on memory, or maybe your virtual memory is too low. So that is something that you need to increase by yourself. So if you get this kind of message on your computer, so I'll let you know what you need to do. You can increase the virtual memory by doing a very simple steps. So the steps I'm going to tell you, that is on the Windows 10 computer, but yes, you can do it on Windows 7 and Windows 8.1 as well. So let's start here. Okay, so here you can see we need to go to this PC. In Windows 7 it could be with the name of computer. So just right click on it and go to the properties. Once you click on the properties, your system properties will in front of you. Now go here in the left hand pane, click advanced system settings. Now the system properties box will be there, and you can see the tab is selected advanced. Go under performance and click on settings. Now performance options is on the screen. Go to the advanced tab, and then you can see as of now the virtual memory total pegging file size of your all drives is 1280. So let's click on change. Now you can see that is selected automatically manage pegging file size for all drives, but if you go down you can see it's recommended 1904 megabyte. So that means it's running low of memory because it was around, you can see 1280 megabytes. So what we need to do here, we just need to uncheck that, and we just need to do it manually. Select the custom size, and as it is required 1904, so I'll make it 2100, a bit more, and I'll take this size, just double off initial size. I'll make it 4200. Okay, that is thing what we have done. Now just we need to increase the virtual memory, and I'm just going to click on set. Do not forget to click on this set button. Once you click on the set button, you can see here on the C drive the file size has changed. Then click OK. You can see the changes you have made required you to restart your computer before they can take effect. Okay, click OK. Click OK to close the window. Click OK to close the window. And now you can see here we got the prompt, and it says you must restart your computer to apply these changes. This is mandate. Let me tell you, you just need to click on restart now button and your computer will be restarted, and then after you will not get that low memory message anymore on your computer, and your computer performance will be faster now. And this is all you need to do. Thank you so much for watching my video. PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.